Hey there and welcome to Consult a Blind Guy. Today we're talking about how you can make money by doing courses. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. As I said, welcome to the episode. Today we're talking about how you can make money by creating and selling courses. Now, if you're somebody who has experience in just about anything, you can create a course to teach somebody that particular topic. Whether it's how to do YouTube, how to self-publish, how to do podcasting, how to do affiliate marketing, how to speak a language, how to do video editing, audio editing, you name it. If you have some kind of skill, doesn't matter what it is, you can pretty much put it into a course and teach somebody and get paid for it. Now, you're probably going, well, how do I do this and make money? Well, there's a few different ways. You can do free courses and have the opportunity of upselling, which is you give them a course for free, like a beginning course, which I have. You can find over on consultablindguy.com/courses, and you can learn how to create content here on YouTube for beginners for free. Now, what is the upsell? An upsell is I gave you a course for free, but now if you want to go into intermediate or advanced kind of lessons, it's a paid course. Or, for instance, it could be you paid for a course at $200, for instance. You could then upsell to a paid community group, like a membership. Kind of like we had mentioned in a few episodes ago on memberships. It can be a community group where not only you, the course creator, can interact with your students, but instead of being solely responsible for answering all those questions, you can have a complete community of students who can help each other out in the same process. Or it could be a coaching group or a mastermind to where it is a paid membership. I myself am a part of a few of these to where I have courses or was in different courses and have weekly meetings with the course creator. Many of you who have been around for a while now know one of my teachers is also a mentor and friend, Pat Flynn, as well as Karma Cashflow, Dan Courier, and so many others here on the YouTube community that you might be familiar with. These are all people that I have learned one thing or another from, and they are part of the reason I have been working over the last year and a half to share my knowledge and experience with you here on YouTube and across social media. As I have mentioned, I've been a content creator for over 20 years, and in February 14, 2023, it will be my 18-year anniversary on YouTube alone. So now I'm not only sharing my knowledge and expertise when it comes to YouTube and content creation, but in many different aspects when it comes to business, self-publishing, audio, video, editing, podcasting, affiliate marketing, you name it. I am literally in all kinds of different things. And that is how you can start making money as well. Create a course, whether it's free or paid, and you have multiple ways that you can make money from doing it. Now, there's different places that you can do this and different ways that you can potentially make more or potentially have to invest more. For instance, You could have your own website and host your course there and make the majority of the money. However, you can also use different sites like Teachable, Kajabi, Thinkific, and others to have your course hosted on their platform, and they do more for you. There's even Udemy. There are many different places out there that will allow you to host your course on their platform. They will assist you with promoting your course and so much more. And they'll have promotions of your course, they'll have affiliate programs for your course, they'll have the payment structure set up so it's all housed in one area, including email lists and a ton of other features. But it is entirely up to you on how much you want to invest, how much you want to make, what you want to do, and what you don't want to do. But that is one way you can make money, is to teach what you have knowledge in. If you'd like more information, head on over to consultblindguy.com/blog, where I have articles on this as well as many other topics. I also have my book available, Income Booster, 100 plus businesses you could start from home and ditch the 9 to 5. There's literally something in there for everybody to be able to start making money from home and online. Doesn't matter whether you're full-time employed, part-time employed, unemployed, disabled, or a stay-at-home parent. Hope you enjoyed today's episode and found it helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. Until the next time, have a great day or evening depending on where you are in the world, and we'll catch you in the next episode. If you have questions, by all means, please feel free to drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.